If you would like to know how to find viral posts on Instagram easily, then stay and watch the whole video. Let's get started. The first thing we will do is go to viralfinder.com. Viralfinder.com is a software that allows us to find the most viral posts on Instagram easily and quickly and without wasting our time. The first thing you have to do is create an account on viralfinder.com. It's super easy and fast. What I will do now is go to my Instagram account and look for a profile on Instagram to show you how to use the Viralfinder software. But if you already have the Instagram profile you want to use, then skip this step. Now that I have the Instagram profile that I am going to use, I will go to the tab called User Search. In this tab, there is a search bar where you have to paste the name of the Instagram profile you want to use. As you can see, the software shows us the most used hashtag in the profile you used. It also shows us the likes and comments that this profile has, and all the posts are ordered from the most viral to the least viral. Method numbers 2. In method number 2, we have to find which post has the most likes and comments on the profile we are using. This will help us to know which was the post that has more engagement, and we will know which were the posts that went viral. It is not necessary to look at all the posts on that account. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch our new videos on how to earn money online.